Samoa's new Attorney General Maunga Precious Jang is committed to serving the country and people of Samoa with humility, integrity, honor, and respect. Maunga was sworn as the country's 17th Attorney General by the head of state, Tuimaleli Ifano Bale Toa Swalawi II, on Monday this week. In a speech after she was sworn in, Maunga said she was committed to lead with clarity and to making decisions guided not by convenient or popular opinion, but by courage and in the interest of the country.
I stand today before everyone here with humility, gratitude, and a profound sense of responsibility. To be entrusted with the office of Attorney General Samoa is not merely an appointment to a position. It is a solemn calling to serve the people of our nation with integrity and courage. I wish to express my sincere appreciation to the Honorable Prime Minister and Cabinet for the faith placed in me to assume this role. That trust I do not take lightly. It is the trust that I carry with respect and a clear understanding of the weight of responsibility that you have now entrusted upon my shoulders. The Office of Attorney General holds a unique place in our system of governance. It must be steadfast, fearless, and dependable. Today, I commit to leading with clarity, to listening with respect, and to making decisions guided not by convenience or popular opinion, but by courage and in the interest of this country.
As the government's chief legal advisor, Prime Minister La'auliani Malietoa Lewatea Polata Iwa Schmidt reminded Maunga that it is crucial to safeguard the constitutional rights of the people with impartiality and fairness. He also warned that it will not be smooth sailing along the way.
I take this opportunity to congratulate Madam Attorney General Maunga Precious Chan on taking her oath before the Lord this morning. The opportunity to serve your country as Attorney General is indeed a significant milestone. The position of the Attorney General serves with guidance and the rule of law. Your legal advice to government is pivotal because it ensures that the law is interpreted and applied correctly. This is an important requisite to upholding the law and the rule of law, safeguarding constitutional rights, and ensure that justice is administered fairly, impartially across all sectors of our country. As a representative of the state in legal matters, the Attorney General plays a crucial role in protecting public interest and in promoting legal reforms and development. Your work contributes immensely to maintain public trust in government institution and process, which is vital to the stability and integrity of the states. We know your responsibility diverse, but with effective leadership and teamwork, the load becomes light and your office will deliver the expectation of our country. Cabinet and the whole government values your advice in legal matters. As guardians of the public office, it is esteemed duty to exercise care, fairness, and integrity in the way to conduct services and delivery. It is our responsibility to respond to the needs of our people in accordance with the law, policy, and the government. Last but not the least, I wish to acknowledge all the former Attorney Generals that have served Samoa for the last 63 years, especially Afionga Sua Elena Wawoklamp, Whawhetai Loto Tautua Malo, Moloto Tautua Tunuu, Mo Samoa. Above all, it is our fervent commitment to serve Samoa with true humility and with love. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and may His face shine on you and gracious to you.
The prayer service for the swearing-in ceremony was led by Reverend Dr. Latu Latai of the Efakasa of Apia Village. He used a reading from the book of Ruth, who is celebrated for her loyalty, virtue, strength, and commitment to love and loyalty.
Most books in the Bible were written by men and named after men. Ruth is one of only 2 books in the Bible that are named after women: the book of Esther and the book of Ruth. 2 great women, courageous figures who stood out during times when the people of God needed leaders who they could look up to.
The Prime Minister ended his remarks by referencing the Reverend's message and told the new Attorney General that her name is now Ruth Maunga Precious Jang and wished her well.
Ia manuia lo tūlei mai, lau whionga Ruta Maunga Precious Chan. Ai mei se sa mo poto.
For more details on this and other of our stories, visit our news website on talamua.com. This is Ginny Penehuru of Talamua Media.